So guys, I'm going to teach you how to install two WhatsApps or two Facebook, two Messenger on your phone, on a single phone. Yeah, you can double all your accounts, Snapchat, Instagram. You can have two of them on your phone, even three, even four. All depends on you. So you're going to start first by going to the Play Store. From Play Store you type Parospace. Parospace. So you see Parospace. This is it. You can as well download this one. I already downloaded mine. Yeah, that's my own. Then you open after downloading, and then after downloading you're going to see this screen. From here you see I already have a second Facebook. You can as well add an application, add app, then just have to wait for a few minutes, and you see you can add WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram and other applications. After adding, you can choose not to add this one. You can choose to add Instagram. After adding, I'll go to add to Parospace. Yeah, and wait, you see we have now another WhatsApp, another Messenger, another YouTube, another Gmail, another Instagram. So we can go on WhatsApp. Let's let it add, close the app. As you see, now we have WhatsApp. So you can put your number wherever you are. You can put your number, fine, and you can configure it. Okay, I guess that's helpful. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos.